Hey guys, we're here at Poplar Gap for October's update video. It's a beautiful, about 70 degrees up here. They've done a lot of additional work. I'm going to show you on some of these back trails that I'm going to hit here in a minute how much has been completed since the last that we were up here, and then hopefully we'll be able to see what they've done to the ground and the surrounding areas. Okay, here we are, guys, at the Poplar Gap School. See the beautiful sunset there for October. Let's see how much work has been done in the last month up here. This over here is new. Down there where the gas well's at. I'm gonna jog a little bit to the top to get us up there a little bit quicker. They've added some more equipment over through that way. We'll go take a look and see what's been completed. Let's see if they've done any work near where the athletic fields are going to be at. Not much difference down here. Some of the grass that they've sowed has come up. Okay, so here's the athletic field update. Let's go over here and look at the school area. Looks like they've leveled this area out some more. Just to give you an idea, I'm sure this is the foundation of where the school will set. Let's go over in that so we can say we walked the foundation before it was started. A whole bunch of deer over there in the distance. Let's check this out. Okay. So here's the foundation site. Looks like they laid some of this black material down. Looks really good, what they've done so far. This kind of gives you a perspective of the actual size of the school walking this area. Check this large area that they've dug out here. Okay, we'll walk right over here. Get a few more shots and then wrap up the October update. Looks like one more large area here that they've dug out. right near the housing subdivision. Beautiful sunset, October, Poplar Gap. We're in month 3 of the construction, and that will do this update video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see what November brings. Have a good one.